Today, I want to walk through predictive maintenance from an engineering perspective. Predictive maintenance is a data driven strategy that uses real time condition monitoring and analytics to predict when equipment failure is likely to occur. Instead of reacting to breakdowns or replacing components on fixed schedules, it monitors asset health continuously and intervene only when indicators show degradation. To understand this properly, we need to distinguish it from preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is time based. For example, replacing bearings every 6 months. Predictive maintenance is condition based. We replace bearings when vibration, signatures, temperature, or lubrication quality indicate deterioration. At the core of predictive maintenance are condition monitoring techniques. First, vibration analysis. For rotating equipment like pumps, motors, turbines, and compressors, vibration signatures are incredibly revealing. By performing FFT analysis on vibration data, we can detect imbalance, misalignment, bearing defects, gear wear, and looseness long before catastrophic failure. Envelope detection and frequency spectrum analysis allow us to isolate fault frequencies tied to specific components. Second, oil analysis. By analyzing lubricant samples, we can detect contamination, metal particles, viscosity breakdown, and chemical degradation. Spectrometric analysis can even identify specific wear metals, indicating which internal components are deteriorating. Third, infrared thermography. Thermal imaging allows us to detect abnormal heat patterns in electrical panels, transformers, bearings, and mechanical couplings. Elevated temperature often precedes failure due to friction, electrical resistance, or insulation breakdown. Fourth, ultrasonic monitoring. High frequency acoustic emissions help detect compressed air leaks, steam traps failures, and early stage bearing defects that may not yet show up in vibration data. Now, these sensors generate enormous volumes of time series data. This is where Industry 4.0 and IIoT architecture become critical. Typically, sensors connect to edge devices that pre process signals, filtering noise, performing initial FFT transforms, or calculating RMS values. Data is then transmitted via industrial protocols like MQTT or OPC UA to a centralized system, either on premise servers or cloud platforms. SCADA systems integrate operational parameters like load, temperature, pressure, and RPM. When we combine operational context with condition monitoring data, we significantly improve predictive accuracy. This is where machine learning enters the picture. There are generally three categories of models used in predictive maintenance. First, regression models, used to estimate remaining useful life, or RUL. These models forecast degradation trends and estimate how long a component can operate before reaching failure thresholds. Second, anomaly detection models, often unsupervised learning methods like autoencoders or isolation forests. These models learn normal operating behavior and flag deviations in real time. Third, supervised classification models, such as random forests, gradient boosting, or neural networks, trained on historical labeled failure data to predict specific failure modes. The real engineering challenge is feature engineering. Extracting meaningful features from raw vibration signals, temperature curves, or acoustic data is critical. Domain knowledge combined with data science produces the best results. Let's consider a real world example. In a manufacturing plant with hundreds of electric motors, unplanned downtime can cost tens of thousands of dollars per hour. By implementing vibration sensors and anomaly detection models, engineers can detect bearing degradation weeks in advance. Maintenance can then be scheduled during planned shutdown windows instead of emergency stops. In the aviation sector, predictive maintenance analyzes engine telemetry data mid flight. Machine learning models detect subtle deviations in temperature gradients or pressure ratios, allowing maintenance teams to replace components before failure risks escalate. Now let's talk about ROI. From an engineering standpoint, predictive maintenance improves equipment reliability, reduces mean time to repair, and increases asset lifespan. From a business standpoint, it reduces unplanned downtime, lowers spare parts inventory, minimizes catastrophic damage, and improves overall equipment effectiveness. Studies consistently show reductions in maintenance cost of 20 to 30% and downtime reductions of up to 50% when predictive maintenance is properly implemented. However, implementation is not trivial. Data quality, sensor placement, cybersecurity, integration with legacy systems, and change management are major engineering considerations.